Welcome to day 38 of integrating every day until we reach 1000 days. Today we're going to do a simple trigonometric integral. So you're going to have to revise all your trigonometric identities with this. So that is today's integral. Now the first thing we notice is that cos and sec are reciprocals of each other. So to tackle this integral, I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by sec x to get the integral of sec squared x divided by sec squared x plus sec x times cos x is just 1. Now we have to recall this identity where sec squared x is equal to tan squared x plus 1. So we add 1 to both sides, we'll get that sec squared x plus 1 is equal to tan squared x plus 2. So now this denominator is just tan squared x by 2. So what we get is actually a pretty simple integral, which we all know how to solve. And as you all know, if you just put u as tan x, we get sec squared x dx, and you get a pretty simple integral. So now we all know that this integral is just du. The integral of 1 over u square plus root 2 whole square, which is just 2 du. Now this is a pretty simple formula that Anshul has taught us all. It's just 1 by root 2 times the arc tan of u by root 2 plus or minus c. So now all we have to do is just substitute u as tan x to get our final answer as 1 by root 2 times arc tan of tan x divided by root 2 plus or minus c. Thank you.